we have 0235.
Helicopter 2 Echo X-ray, thank you. And once you clear Van Nuys Delta, did you want to talk to SoCal?
Affirmative, 2 Echo X-ray. Tower for 2 Echo X-ray, can we go ahead and start turning to the southwest towards the 11?
Helicopter 2 Echo X-ray, approved. And are you transitioning in VFR condition?
VFR condition 1,500, 2 Echo X-ray.
Helicopter 2 Echo X-ray, thank you. Contact SoCal now 134.2 for flight following 34-2.
34-2.
X-ray ident. So X-ray, yeah, you're still on a 1200 code. Are you requesting flight following? Two Echo X-ray, what do you say intentions? 2 Echo X-ray, you're still too low level for flight following at this time. 2 Echo X-ray, SoCal.